The document was full of medical jargons. The document was full of medical jargon. The word jargon does not have plural form. After the lockdown, people are anxious for finding work. After the lockdown, people are anxious to find work. Anxious to do something is the correct structure. Found guilty on murder, the murderer was sentenced to death. Found guilty of murder, the murderer was sentenced to death. The word guilty is followed by of, but not on. Newspaper is a very powerful media. Newspaper is a very powerful medium. The word medium should be used when we give singular reference. She goes to office by foot. She goes to office on foot. On foot is the correct usage.